Round 1, magic ring, chain 1, 2, then 12 double crochet inside the ring. Then pull up this loop and insert your hook in the first double crochet. Round 2, single crochet, chain 1, then add 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Then repeat for a total of 26 stitches. Then again, insert in the first double crochet at the back, pull through this loop, then round 3, single crochet, chain 1, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And then just repeat a double crochet in the next and 2 double crochet in the next. Round 4, single crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, Then double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then 2 double crochet in the next. Then just repeat a double crochet in the next 2. Then 2 double crochet. Then 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Then for round 5, single crochet, chain 1, then double crochet and repeat for 52 stitches around, including the single crochet and chain 1. Then now we will change the color to light pink yarn. Insert in the back loop. Okay, in this side. This one is the front and this one is back loop. Then make a chain of 2. Then do a back loop only, double crochet in the following. Then once you reach to this last stitch, make a double crochet on the beginning chain of 2. Okay, then again pull up this loop and insert in the first double crochet. Then for round 7, 8, and 9, repeat a single crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet in the following stitches for 52 stitches, including this single crochet and chain 1. Then repeat the top of the cake from round 1 to round 4, and then do not cut the yarn. Okay, then you will connect the two across this stitch. So insert in this one and insert on the light pink yarn. Do a single crochet, chain 1, then yarn over and insert in the same stitch here, then pull through 2 loop, yarn over, insert in the same stitch and pull through 2. You have 3, yarn over, insert in the same stitch, pull through 2. You have 4, yarn over, insert, pull through 2. Then once you have 5, pull through 5 loops. Then single crochet in the next stitch. Then chain of 2, then repeat, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, pull through 2, 3, 4. Then once you have 5, pull through 5, then single crochet in the next stitch. Then chain of 2 and then yarn over, insert in the next. Then once you completed, I will show you at the end. Single crochet, chain 2, insert in the next stitch, then single crochet, and make a chain and cut the yarn.